of us here at Circle Interactive Technologies in Atlanta, Georgia would like to congratulate on this Thursday, 10/22/2015. Congratulations to the New York Mets, who swept the Chicago Cubs in unprecedented fashion with a hero, Daniel Murphy, right here from Citi Field, which is their home. And there's nothing like an event like this to kind of illustrate a little bit of technology. So we have the New York Mets Citi Field right here in what we call our IntelliTrack dashboard. So none about that. We'll get rid of that. And we wanted to just illustrate a few things so we can see what's happening. This is called geosocial. So we can kind of go down and pull out social activity from anywhere. We can pull it out from parking lots. We can go down here and pull it out from vendors or snack shacks or restaurants or saloons. We can actually take this social media that we would pull out and post it to a jumbotron right inside the stadium. We could actually have devised something called the Battle of the Fans through Twitter and Facebook, to where, let's say, the Yankees and the Mets or whoever's playing, in this case, we could have broadcasted, right back to Chicago. And then the Chicago fans could have tweeted and have all of their social media posts on the board in Citi Field, and then the Citi Field people respond and go back to the jumbotron there in Chicago. But more on that later. How does it work? Well, you just click on any one of these things here, like a circle, hit it and release it, and then we want to call it, let's say, Met Stadium. We can call it anything we want. You can go down to a 5-foot radius on the outside. When we have companion beacons that we would use in the stadium, we can get down to about 5 inches and do just all kinds of amazing things for stadium engagement and fan engagement, database gathering. I mean, you name it. We'd love to talk to you about it, but for now, we're just going to talk about that. Go there. Now, you'll see that it's fetching all of the different stuff here. So it's fetching Facebook and Picasa and YouTube, and it pulls it kind of right out, and there it is. And then if we want to look at it, we just kind of click on it here. Whoa! Look at what's happening. Words can't describe the feeling. Okay, from Real Boy Nathan. Here it is. Okay, let's see anything more down here. Here's a couple fans that are excited. Here's Citi Field. Let's go Mets. Here's somebody from the game that they posted it. Here's somebody that ate a nice hamburger. Here's something else. I mean, here's what's kind of going on. Here's the other fans with it. Now, when this thing is working, what we can do is we can click on these people, like Mackenzie here, or Vinny, and tell him, Vinny, hey, Vinny, we're over here in Atlanta. Can you focus your camera a little better? No, we wouldn't tell Vinny that. We can communicate with these fans and engage in all of the excitement that they're doing. There's a lot of good business reasons for doing this. Plus, what we can do is we have such amazing data capabilities that when we click on Real Boy Nathan, everything about him will automatically populate. I mean, we'll know where he lives, how much money he makes, what kind of car he drives, when was the last time he changed his oil. I mean, you can't imagine what we can plug in with big data in conjunction with a social media tool like this to communicate in amazing ways with fans, as though, some mysterious entity or a brand knows who they really are. So all kinds of neat things. You can also do this. Let's get rid of this one. You can click on a little social wall feature, and then all of the kind of stuff populates onto a wall, so you can see it, in real, in one place, kind of all the time. Here's the Twitter feeds, right? Let's see what the fans are saying here. Where is the best place to watch the World Series in Queens, other than Citi Field, of course? Join the discussion. We could do that. Here it is. The Cubs are done, from Stephen A. Smith. Here's what these videos said. It's over. The Cubs are done. Okay? Watch this here, and, here it is, kind of all on a social aggregator board. And then we can communicate with all these people. Or even, there it is. Here's the man of the hour, isn't it? The MVP, Mr. Daniel Murphy. So we can do all kinds of really amazing things with fan engagement on this. We'd love to talk to you about that later. But the main purpose was just to wish the Cubs are they not the Cubs? Wish them condolences. Wish the New York Mets congratulations. Congratulations. Go Mets in the World Series. Take care.